Welcome to the Stock Value Report Dashboard, an interactive business intelligence solution developed in Microsoft Power BI using data from Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, Cost Management, Inventory Aging Report Storage. This dashboard is designed to provide finance, inventory, and supply chain teams with a comprehensive view of stock movement, inventory valuation, and book value across the organization. By consolidating inventory aging data into a single, interactive report, it enables users to monitor stock performance, improve inventory accuracy, and make informed business decisions. Let's explore the dashboard. At the top of the report, you'll find several interactive filters that allow you to customize the analysis based on your business requirements. You can filter the report by category, company, item, execution name, and define a from date and to date to analyze inventory transactions over any selected period. These slicers enable users to quickly focus on specific products, legal entities, or reporting periods without navigating through multiple reports. The main section of the dashboard displays a detailed statement of stock and book debt, presenting inventory information at the item level. For every inventory item, the report provides important operational and financial metrics including item code and item description, HSN code, inventory site, opening stock quantity, opening stock unit rate, opening stock value, stock in quantity, unit rate, and value, stock out quantity, unit rate, and value, closing stock quantity, closing stock unit rate, closing stock value. This comprehensive view allows users to understand exactly how inventory has moved during the selected period while simultaneously tracking its financial impact. At the bottom of the report, total values are automatically calculated, providing an overall summary of opening inventory, inward movements, outward movements, and closing inventory value. These totals offer management an immediate snapshot of the organization's inventory position. The dashboard supports several important business scenarios, including monitoring inventory valuation for financial reporting, reconciling inventory balances between operational and financial records, analyzing stock inflow and outflow trends, reviewing inventory movements across different sites and companies, supporting month-end and year-end inventory closing activities, and identifying unusual stock movements that may require further investigation. Because the dashboard is powered directly from the Inventory Aging Report storage in D365 Finance and Operations, it delivers reliable and consistent information while significantly reducing manual reporting effort. With interactive filtering, drill-down capability, and real-time visualization, users can quickly identify inventory trends, validate stock values, and improve decision-making across finance, warehouse, procurement, and supply chain operations. Thank you for watching the Stock Value Report dashboard presentation. We hope this solution helps your organization improve inventory visibility, strengthen financial control, enhance inventory valuation accuracy, and support faster, data-driven business decisions. Thank you for your time.